Today, I'd like to introduce the date filter option that we introduced with the Exploratory Desktop version 13.7. Let's say you have some sort of historical data. This ranges from about 2020 to today, 2025 August. But what if I want to show only the last 6 months? In that case, you can actually create the filter at the chart level, or you can create the filter at the step level. In this case, I want to create a filter for this particular chart, and I click on the filter, and then I select the date column, then later than or equal to, and then instead of specifying the particular date, because I want to make this sort of like a dynamic, so that a couple weeks later when I open this chart, I want that chart to dynamically select the last, let's say 6 months or something, right? So in that case, you can actually select how to set value sections, and you can find, let's say, n months ago from today. This is gonna filter if I type in here as 6, that means the last 6 months data. So now we have the last 6 months, starting from today and go all the way back to 6 months ago. Let's say today is August 15th, that means February 15th, right? 6 months ago. But what if no, you know what? I wanna actually get the first date of February. In that case, you can actually select from the options, and we have added this first day of n month ago. So that means even if today is August 15th, but it's gonna go back to 6 months ago, so February 1st. So if I run it, so now we get that data from February 1st to today. And we can do the same thing for the next 3 months, for example, last day of the next 3 months or 6 months. So we have added a few options there as well. Now we are looking at the operator as later than or equal to, but we also have this thing called relative date filter. This is very convenient. You can actually say last 3 months or something like that in slightly different format. And here we have added since the first day of n months ago. So this is basically to do the same thing. If I type 6 as a value, last 6 months was data. However, the starting day is the first day of that given month. In this case, the February 1st. So that's it for date filter updates. Thank you for watching.